robot here. So this is a car robot with the chassis and two motors. These are gear motors, and then the wheels, coaster, and battery holder for 18650. So what are we going to do now? We're going to make a human following car robot. Okay, and we're also going to use this fabricated Arduino Uno Microcontroller. Okay, and for our project, we're going also to use this L298 motor driver, so that we can drive the gear motor of this car robot. And then for the switching or for the control, two infrared sensor, IR sensor. So what is a human following car robot? That is whenever I put my hand here in front, it will follow my hands. And to do that, let us first upload the code for our project. Figure 1, we have human following car robot using Arduino Uno Microcontroller. This is Arduino Uno. We have the 9-volt supply connected to wherein voltage input, then to the ground. That is the 9-volt supply for the Arduino Uno. And then based on our code, pin number 10965 is an output. So it is an output because it is connected, they are all connected to this motor driver L298N. Connected is the input 1 to pin number 5, pin number 6 input 2, pin number 9 input 3, pin number 10 input 4 of L928 motor driver. And then the motor is connected here, motor 1 positive, then negative. The other side of motor 2 positive here, then the negative. So in case that there is a reverse direction, we can reverse the polarity also, reverse direction of the motor. And then for the supply, so the supply of Arduino is 9 volts, and the supply for L298 driver is 8.0 volts from 18650 battery to 18650 battery in series, which is equal to 4 point approximately volts, 8 volts. So for the supply of the motor driver, connected here, the positive to the leftmost, then the negative to the next pin out pin. Then we have the right IR sensor. The left IR sensor, the supply for IR sensor BCC is the same as the supply with the IR sensor left, which is connected to 5 volts of Arduino. And then the ground of the IR sensor, 2 IR sensor connected to the ground of Arduino Uno. That is now the connection of our car robot. So why is it called the human following car robot? So here, the output of the IR sensor connected to the pin 3, the right sensor, and then the left pin 2, then the ground to ground, 5 volts to 5 volts. So why is it called the human following? Because of these two sensors. When we place our hands here, or it will follow our hand. So how can we do that? Okay, how does it work? So here we have the sensor. Once the sensor have detected a hand here or obstacle, this sensor will make the motor to move backward, and this one to move forward, the motor one. While when we have the hands here, this motor will make this motor 1 to move backward and the motor 2 to move forward, because this sensor is looking for this hand. And when the hand is in the middle, it will move the motor here forward, at the same time the motor 2 forward. So it will follow the hand, the car robot. And you will see here the out the sensor connected to 3. So this is configured as input into our Arduino Uno code, to the code Arduino, and then the out of the sensor 2, sensor left, to the in of the Arduino 2, pin 2. So these are in output, these are inputs, ground, B 5 volts. So that's because in our sensor, this one, I think this one, this white one, is a transmitter. Once it has a hand or an obstacle here, it will transmit light waves here, the light, and then it will bounce back to the receiver. So it will receive by this sensor, and then to the Arduino, and then Arduino to the motor, and then the motor will move forward or backward, depends on our code. Same here. When this sensor detected a hand, there's a hand here, this transmitter, or the infrared transmitter, this one, because we have two LED here, will transmit the signal here, and then once detected an obstacle or a hand here, there is, the signal will bounce back to the receiver. The receiver is the black LED, and then it will close out, then to the in Arduino, and then Arduino to the motor. The motor will move, depends on the code, where the code that we have.